What do you feel like doing with your family today? Going to a sandpit? Driving a remote control boat? Playing some frisbee golf? You know you want to play some pickleball. Fishing? Feel like going to the library and doing story time? Basketball.
FamilyFun.Vegas is the easiest way to find exactly what you want to do with your family in Las Vegas. Head to the homepage and browse every category imaginable, from sports courts, walking trails, indoor parks, and oh yeah, the splash pads. Browse listings or click on the map icon to easily see what's going on in your neighborhood. Listings have photos, reviews, maps, and info on everything that venue has to offer. Looking for events? We've got you covered there too. Click events from the menu and see what's going on in town. You can even filter by area, activity, time, or day.
Go try it out, FamilyFun.Vegas. See you there.